and the other end to your monitor. But wait. And for the best experience, using a mouse is a must. Here, I'm using the Logitech MX Master 3. You'll find the arrangement option where you can set the exact position of your iPad. Browse the web, watch YouTube videos, and even do full browser-based work just like on a
Hi friends, welcome to PDF Tech. Today let's talk about how to connect your iPad with the external display and make it as the extended display. So there is two display, one is the iPad display and another is your monitor display. So let's see how to do this. So here is my iPad. I will connect this cable with this monitor. So let's get started.
Make sure you use a proper Type-C display cable that supports video output. Normal Type-C cable won't work. It only charges your iPad. See, it's been just charging and not acting as an external display. You need a proper display-compatible Type-C cable. Once you use the right one, everything works perfectly. And I'll leave the purchase link in the bio. Now this is where the real magic starts. Just connect one end of the cable to your iPad and the other end to your monitor. But wait, this part is important. Your monitor must support Type-C display output, because then it doesn't just become an external display, it also charges your iPad at the same time. And that's exactly what I'm using here with my LG 5K monitor. I'll leave a couple of compatible monitor links in the bio for you. And the moment you plug it in, your iPad instantly extends its display and your whole setup feels next level professional. And once you connect it, you'll immediately see your mouse pointer appear on the external display. And for the best experience, using a mouse is a must. Here, I'm using the Logitech MX Master 3, but honestly, any mouse will work. And if you want the complete setup, you can watch my full iPad desk setup video by clicking the top right corner, where I explain mouse pointer customization and how you can truly use your iPad as a laptop replacement. For the best experience, you can arrange your external display and your iPad just like a MacBook setup. You're not locked into one position at all. To change the display placement, just go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and you'll see your external display name appear there. In my case, it shows LG 5K Ultrafine. And right below that, you'll find the Arrangement option where you can set the exact position of your iPad. You can place your iPad at the bottom, on the left, on the right, or even on the top of your monitor, depending on how your desk is arranged. In my case, I've placed my iPad at the bottom of my monitor, and it feels super natural. Now I can smoothly move my mouse pointer between the two displays, just like using a real dual screen computer setup. It's seamless, it's fluid, and it honestly feels premium. And here's something really cool. You can even control your external monitor's brightness directly from your iPad. Someone commented this on my earlier video, and I tested it myself, and yes, it actually works. No need to touch your monitor buttons anymore. You can also customize how everything looks on your external display, like changing the font size and display scaling. You can choose larger text, default size, or more workspace if you want to fit more content on the screen. And it doesn't stop there. You can even fine-tune your mouse experience. Just go to Settings, then General, then Trackpad and Mouse, and from here you can increase or decrease the mouse pointer speed and control the scroll behavior. Because sometimes natural scrolling feels a bit weird, so you can easily turn that off if you prefer the classic style. All these little details together really make a huge difference. It truly feels like I'm using a touch MacBook with an external display. This is why I keep saying iPadOS 26 is a massive step forward. It finally makes the iPad feel like a serious laptop replacement, but with the added benefit of touch support and Apple Pencil. And if you want to go deeper into this, you can also watch my full iPadOS 26 video by clicking the top right corner, where I explain in detail how to use your iPad as a laptop replacement and set up everything properly. So what do you think about this setup? Would you use your iPad like this as your main computer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. You can literally use your iPad like a desktop now. open multiple windows at the same time, browse the web, watch YouTube videos, and even do full browser-based work just like on a computer. It's perfect for multitasking, research, content creation, and everyday productivity. And if you want to see all of this in detail, you can check out my full iPadOS 26 video by clicking the top right corner of the screen. iPadOS 26 really transforms the iPad into a true desktop-style experience while still keeping the power of touch and portability. So that's my iPad desk setup and how I'm using iPadOS 26 to replace my laptop. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more tech and setup content, and drop a comment below telling me what you think about using an iPad as your main computer. I'll see you in the next one.